Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Willems. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball, a spoon, a hat? Chew! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew! I can't stop, chew! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Chew! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. What if pigs do make me sneeze? Then I can't be near you. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Snuggle. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Chew. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Good. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. You're cold? You're sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news! I have a cold. Good for you. Bye.